Hey guys, welcome to Globus Gates Showroom. We got here Alu 60, the heaviest slat in the market, guaranteed. Guaranteed best price for top quality aluminum products. Guaranteed best installation provided by experts in the field. Visit our showroom, come see the quality for yourself. And if you can, I'll come to you and show you what you're buying. And when you buy aluminum, you buy by the weight. The more weight, the longer durability it has. We don't just sell gates and fences, we also provide the best hardware. From our custom V-Track to our low-profile wheels to ensure a long-lasting operation. We offer self-closing mechanisms and the best hinges for long-lasting performance. Once again, come visit our showroom. We provide guaranteed the best hardware in the market. Our low-profile wheels ensures a smooth and long-lasting operation. We offer endless design possibility to work with any budget. Choose from our materials like our vinyl, ideal for backyard and very cost effective. We also have our custom aluminum with wood-like finish. We also offer our aluminum gates in different colors, laser cut designs, and even plexiglass options as we have here. We also create custom gates that are HAO compliant or any specific needs. Whether it's vinyl that looks like wood or a completely custom aluminum gate, we have options for every project. Visit our showroom and I guarantee you'll get the best quality, the best price.